What's up, Adventure Squad? I'm Milo, and today we're diving deep into one of Africa's most incredible cultures, the Himba people of Namibia. Guys, I've been walking for hours through this incredible landscape, and I can already feel the magic of this place. The Himba have lived here for centuries. This is absolutely incredible. Look at this beautiful craftsmanship and the traditional red ochre. This is living history, people. These kids are teaching me their traditional crafts. Every bead, every pattern tells a story that's been passed down for generations. Whoa! Nature's putting on a show here, but check out how the Himba are handling this like absolute pros. This is survival wisdom at its finest.
This is what travel's really about, guys. Connecting with people, sharing stories when the world gets wild outside.
I'm witnessing something sacred here. This red ochre isn't just decoration, it's protection. These herders know every inch of this land. I'm getting schooled in navigation and animal behavior by true masters. Okay, this smells absolutely incredible. Traditional cooking methods that have fed families for centuries, and trust me, this beats any restaurant. You know what hits me most? The Himba have everything they need right here. Community, tradition, connection to the land. That's real wealth.
This blessing ceremony, I'm honestly getting emotional here. The Himba have welcomed me like family, and that's something you can't put a price on.
Adventure Squad, this is why I travel to learn that different doesn't mean distant. The Himba taught me that home isn't a place, it's people. Where should we explore next? If you love this Himba adventure, hit that like button and subscribe for more epic cultural journeys. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.